Hello, teacher. I'm going to introduce myself. My full name is Marco Antonio González Sánchez. I am 52 years old. I am an auditor. I work in Medicina Integral Ambulatoria. I am married. I don't have children. I am studying psychology. I am in the first semester. I like to listen to music. And in my free time, I like play guitar with my wife Marta and my father Marco. I live with my wife. I don't have a pet. I live in Bogotá. I'm from Bogotá. I like basketball. My birthday is on February 2. My favorite food is rice, but I don't like chicken. I am a very responsible person. Thank you, teacher. Bye.